I couldn't figure out how to use my table saw, so I got this guy from QT to
The help desk, right?
yeah, from the QT help desk.
Fucking IT shit. Right?
Yeah, to help me out.
Check this fucking these turn shit.
Oh man, you're useless. Looks like that was...
dude. The IT guy did it. See that?
Yeah, alright.
The
Cheers.
IT guy did it. I don't want to cut my hand. Wait. Ah! No, kidding.
You idiot. Yay! And we've got rid of the wood cutting blade, which would rip the schism out of any acrylic. And we've installed the acrylic braid, or aluminium acrylic.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Lots of teeth.
Dude, right here.
Yeah, alright, the initial turning on orange.
It's gonna cut my head.
Whoa! Shit.
Nice. That's
Wow, that was unusually loud, hey.
That was loud out. That was really loud.
My ears.
Yeah, I know. Hey, put it here.
No, I think that's good enough for the test.